everybody, this is Micah with Food Travelers, and in this episode we share our stay at Somerset Grand Hanoi in Vietnam. The unit has a lot of amenities with a restaurant below that offers buffet-style breakfast. They also offer dinner services at the restaurant. There's a restaurant lounge area, pool, gym, yoga room, pickleball courts, and building itself is connected to a supermarket nearby with other restaurants. It was a very convenient location, and we got the Deluxe 2-bedroom apartment. It features 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, a separate living and dining area, and fully equipped kitchen. And as you see in this video, that we did let them know that we had a wheelchair and needed some access, and they did build out this ramp to help us get into the room a little bit easier. It was very thoughtful of them for that. And as we enter the room here, you must insert the key card into the card holder on the wall to keep the energy on. Anything that isn't registered room key will not keep the power on in the hotel room. On the other side of the wall are 3 labels to use for the door to let the housekeeping know the status of the room. One for tidy the room to get surfaces, one for do not disturb and please come later, and another one for the green choice that does not require makeup room surfaces. There's a decent sized dining table, a full-size mirror, a large cabinet for storage by the dining table, and in the family room there's a TV and sitting area. This was supposed to be a non-smoking room. I'm not sure why there is an ashtray in the cabinet area of the TV. And the Wi-Fi in the room is pretty decent speed, I would say. It's more than enough to download files and upload files off your trip to your cloud or anything else that may require speed for the internet. As you look out the window, you can see there's a lot of traffic and it's pretty noisy outside. It feels like the room could use some upgrades in terms of the window insulation, maybe adding another layer of window to block out some of the sound from the outside. It'll be pretty busy outside with honking and traffic sounds sometime till about 2 a.m. and it'll pretty much be immediately pick up again around 8 or 9 a.m. in the morning. And as you enter the hallway to the bedroom section, you'll also see a bathroom on one side. It's a 3/4 bath. There's plenty of towels. They include body wash, hand soap, shampoo. And beneath the sink is ambient lighting, and there's a separate switch for leaving it on just for the ambient lighting below the sink and behind the mirror as well. As you enter the first bedroom with the 2 twin beds, you can see it is a pretty small bedroom. There is a remote for the AC above, and as you see in the bedroom that there's 2 really large closet spaces. It doesn't give you very much space between the beds and the 2 closets. And when you open the closet door, the light will automatically turn on. Another thing I did want to mention is in this spare bedroom, there isn't very many wall plugs. There's not much places to charge. And as you enter the primary bedroom with its own bathroom, you can see or find similar items with the bathroom in the hallway. You'll also notice there's a scale on the floor underneath the sink. The primary bath does feature a bathtub. I must say though, both showers in both bathrooms have decent pressure, pretty quick to warm up in water temperature as well. In the primary bedroom, there is a half-size mirror and a place to leave your wallet or keys or any other miscellaneous items. Besides the bed, there is a reading lamp on both sides. There's plenty of wall plugs as well. And in the closet, you'll find a bathrobe, ironer, ironing board, a safe deposit, and on top of the safe deposit is a hair dryer. I'm not sure why they didn't place this in the hair dryer in the bathroom in one of the drawers instead. Beneath the safe deposit are a couple of slippers. And in the second closet space, you'll find the laundry and dry cleaning list and the pricing. I do want to make a note that the pricing is in Vietnamese dong, so you have to do some conversion to your own currency. The view from the primary bedroom is pretty much the same as the living room area, or family room if you want to call that. Not much choice, not much view difference. I do want to say though, in the primary bedroom, it does appear that they added an extra layer of window to make it a little bit more soundproof, because you definitely hear a lot less noise from that bedroom. In the kitchen, it does come with everything you need, with a full-size refrigerator, microwave, oven, cutting board, glassware, cutlery, utensils, electric oven, electric kettle, hood, and stovetop. There was a balcony with the door locked with no access. I believe that was for safety reasons. And instead of providing bottled waters, they did provide this huge water jug for drinking water. And as you see in this kitchen walkthrough, there is plenty of coffee and tea mixing as well, if that is something you need. I did also want to point out that each individual room has a separate air conditioning thermostat for more customization and comfort. So you can have the dining area, one of the bedrooms, another temperature, the primary bedroom, another temperature as well. So all the people who are staying within the room can have their own comfort. There was also a washing machine in the kitchen. There is also enough detergent and a clothes dryer. If you do require more detergent for washing your clothes, you can always call the housekeeping. But overall, this location is very, very convenient. Gym is very large, and it does have all the weights and everything that you need to do a good workout. So if you're looking for a place to stay in Hanoi and you're looking for a little bit more space for your family, this would be a good option for you.
If you've enjoyed the content you've seen, don't forget to support the channel and hit like and subscribe. And if you want to see additional pictures of food and our travels, go over to our Instagram page and follow us there. And thanks for watching.